Hello friends, this is Mona Lisa. Today I am doing an unboxing video of my first design team kit from Craftangles. To be honest, I already unpacked the box and know what products are inside. I had to sanitize the entire box as well as the products because of the pandemic. So friends, let's start the unboxing process. I am really excited to share what I have received as my first design team kit. Okay then, let's start.
Okay, first is Patina Effect Texture Paste. It contains thick matte effect texture paste in 4 shades. These are water based and can be applied on almost all surfaces like canvas, paper, metal, wood. To get exact patina effect, you must apply all shades in subsequent layers. When first layer dries up, then you need to apply the next one, and so on. Okay, next is Rust Effect Texture Paste. This also comes in a set of 4 colors. This texture paste are also water based and gives matte finish on application. You can apply this paste on almost all types of surfaces. Rules are same to get the best result. Okay, next one is Moss Effect Texture Paste. This set also comes in with 4 shades. These two give matte finish and once dries up, it becomes permanent. Rules of the application are same. Now we have color sprays. Craftangles color sprays are water based and provide awesome coverage. These sprays are acid free and you can easily use with stencils, and you can use in layers as well. These sprays are highly pigmented and extremely user friendly. There are 5 shades: grape jelly, trendy teal, bamboo brown, lemon tart and carbon black. Okay, next one is Clear Gesso. Clear Gesso is an ideal primer for applying on colored paper or pattern paper, even cardstock. It works as a sealing agent too. This gesso is water based and you can apply it by mixing with acrylic paints as well. Clear gesso can be applied on multiple surfaces like canvas, paper, wood, metal, etc. And when it dries up, it gives a glossy finish. Okay, now we have acrylic soft gel. This gel is one of the mixed media essential product. It has various uses, like most common one is of course adhesive for mixed media and collage for any type of lightweight embellishment. It can be added with acrylic paints to prevent paint from drying. Okay, it also works as a sealing agent, and this gel is fast drying, and of course it gives transparent effect. Okay, now next one is Asphalt Texture Paste. This paste is water based and heavily grained. It really gives beautiful dimensional effect. You can easily mix it with sprays, inks, paints, and like other texture paste, you can apply it on various surfaces as well. And the quantity is 120 ml. Okay, next we have Cement Texture Paste, and the container is of 120 ml. Same quality like other texture paste. You can easily apply with a brush, stencil, palette knife, etc. Color is just like cement, and if you want to change the color, obviously you can add color pigments, sprays, paints to give it any different shades. This paste give matte finish after drying. Okay, now we have Charcoal Gesso. I really love Craftangles gesso. It gives black finish with matte effect. You can easily use it on almost all surfaces. This one is a must-have product for all crafters. Next one is Charcoal Texture Paste. It is little bit of darker shade than Asphalt Texture Paste and obviously less grainy. All texture paste of Craftangles are water based and give matte finish. it dries up really fast, so you must close the lid tightly. Okay, next one is white gesso. Qualities are same as charcoal gesso and quantity same as well, 120 ml, and it gives matte finish and can be applied on various surfaces like paper, canvas, wood, metal, anything. Okay. Next is gorgeous gold art wax. Quantity is 50 ml. Craftangle waxes are basically colored beeswax, add beautiful metallic effect on any project. It can be used on various surfaces, and we all know that wax protect artwork from dust and moisture as well. Application is really easy. You can use brush, cloth, or even finger. After application, you just need to give it 24 hours to dry. There are 4 more shades: sapphire, iridescent gold, and shooting star. This color is similar like pearl white, and the last one is of course copper penny. This particular shade perfectly complements with patina effect texture paste. Okay, next one is paper texture paste. This is really an unique texture paste. You can easily apply this paste on any surfaces with brush, palette knife, etc. The unique characteristics of this paste is that it gives you a base just like watercolor paper. I love to use inks, watercolors and sprays on this texture paste because it really gives you paper pulp finish with dimensional effect. Okay, next is sand texture paste. I use this texture paste all the time. I just love its grainy texture and gives awesome dimensional looks. Application is very easy, just like other texture paste. You can use it with stencils, and if you want, you can easily add colors using inks, sprays, paints. It's a must-have product for any mixed media artist. Quantity is same, 120 ml. Now I have fine glitter shimmer dust of 60 ml. It adds beautiful sheen to your project. You can simply sprinkle this dust on flowers, cards, or any type of embellishment that you would want to highlight. Or you can add this glitter with soft gel or clear gesso as well. Decoupage artists can do crystal decoupage with this glitter too. Okay, I am keeping aside these products now to show what more products I have got. Okay. Okay, now I have received stencils. There are 5 stencils. Wow, look at these designs. These stencils are perfect for background work. Names are bubble background, barcode, hexagonal stacks, simply geometric, and waves. All are 6x6 stencils. This particular size is really handy for small projects like cards, tag, decoupage, or if you are working on small canvas. These are perfect. Quality of Craftangle stencils are really good. I'm sure you all have used these stencils. After working with the stencils, you just need to wash it with soap and water. That's all. There are instructions as well at the back of each stencils. Okay, next is pattern paper pack. First one is vintage rosette. Size is 6x6. This particular paper pack contains 24 sheets and 2 sheets is design. This pack has 12 unique designs. Okay, papers are 240 GSM thick. Personally, I love vintage theme, so this paper pack is one of my favorite. Look at these designs, beautiful. Okay, next one is edged roses. Okay, size is same, 6x6. This one contains 24 sheets, 12 unique designs, and papers are 240 GSM thick. Wow, beautiful papers. Ideal for any type of background work. and if you like to work with vintage theme, then this one is a must have. Beautiful colors all up in pastel shades. Okay, next I have another paper pack, and the name is Colors of India. This one is 6x6 paper pack, 24 sheets, and consists of 12 unique designs. Same, this paper is thick enough like other paper packs, 240 GSM thick. Look at these designs, wow, so beautiful. I believe this paper pack is dedicated to diverse colors of India as well as various designs of India like mandalas and paisleys, starting from geographical area, monuments which are world renowned, various dance forms, various dishes of different states, language. Wow, look at these beautiful colors, so gorgeous. If we are doing any work on Indian theme, then this single paper pack is enough. Okay, now we have lots of element sheets. Wow, beautiful. Okay, Wanderlust 1 and Wanderlust 2. Papers are 300 GSM thick, and one pack contains 3 sheets of A4 size. Okay, you just need to fussy cut these pictures, and you can use this in many ways, like for card making, scrapbooking, journal, and obviously as embellishment for mixed media. Okay, next one is Wanderlust 2. Same size. Each pack contains 3 sheets of A4 size, and papers are 300 GSM thick. These papers are acid and linen free. Advantage of using acid free paper is that it does not get yellowish even after if you keep it stored for a long time. Okay, next one is Spring Flowers 1. Same size, A4, 300 GSM thick, and 3 sheets of beautiful designs. You just need to fussy cut it and ready to use. Okay, now next is Birthday Sentiments 1 and 2. These are 300 GSM thick and contains 2 sheets, black and white background color. As a crafter, we use lots of quotes and messages for our works, right? So I think if you have these sheets, you don't have to worry for birthday quotes ever. If you want to use any other colors, then you can use paint easily on the background. Okay, then Watercolor Love 1, Valentine's Day theme, I think. Okay, look at this beautiful designs, so cute. This pack contains 3 sheets of A4 size. In February we do lots of works on Valentine's Day theme, right? So I think all type of crafters can easily use them. You just need these to fussy cut, and that's all. Okay, next one is Be My Valentine. Same, 300 GSM sheets of A4 size. Look at these cute sentiments, pictures. Wow, beautiful. Okay, next one is Love Note 1 and Love Note 2. This pack contains 3 sheets of A4 size, and these pages are 250 GSM thick. Look at these trendy and cute designs. Colors are beautiful. Love Note 2, 250 GSM thick. Look at these pretty designs, so trendy. You can use easily in different projects like cards, album, mixed media, tags. Wow, totally love this elements pack. I really hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video, and I hope to see you soon with another tutorial video. Till then, happy crafting!